Good morning, gearhead friends. The other day when I was riding home from work, it was the first time I rode this bike after my long trip. Every time I would start traveling at slower speeds, I would hear this weird squealing and whining coming from the back wheel. I tried the normal things to see if the squealing and whining would go away. Applied the back brake, pulled the clutch into coast to see if the pitch of the squealing changed, and none of those things worked. And so I got home and I put it up on my lift, and I adjusted the chain and everything, and it seemed to sound okay. But then the next day on my way back home, it was squealing and whining again. So my dealership happens to be on my way home, so I whipped in there real quick and had them take a look at it. And what it turned out to be was that my rear wheel assembly, the rear hub and everything, was assembled dry. And because it was assembled dry, the seals and the metal, everything was just dry on dry, rubbing together. And of course, the longer you run it, the hotter everything gets and the drier everything gets. So the mechanic down there whipped it apart for me and thoroughly lubed it all up. Now, I know what your first thought is, well, how can it make any noise when it's got sealed bearings? Well, the bearings are sealed, and so that's good for them. But the fact of the matter is the rest of the assembly where the seals are going to spin, those seals right there, they spin all on that shaft because they are one with the hub. And when those seals get dry as well, they're going to start vibrating. It is a pretty hard rubber, and it starts vibrating and rubbing just like anything else. So they pulled the assembly completely apart for me, lubed it all up, and immediately the sounds all stopped. My worry was that because the torque spec is so high on that axle nut, my worry was that the torque spec was so high that it was side loading my wheel bearings. And so my concern was it was going to cause premature failure of those bearings. Just based on how much torque you have to put on that nut, I think the manual gives it between 65 and 70 foot-pounds of torque, which is a lot, on a 17-millimeter bolt. But just that simple disassembly and lubrication of all of the parts in there and the axle and everything stopped all that noise. So if you are incurring the same condition or the same sounds, that might be the case on your bike as well. But it is a very easy fix, and it took all of, 20 minutes maybe to get it remedied. So just a little PSA, a little public service announcement there. If you are experiencing that, that could be your cause. Otherwise, keep the helmet side up, people. Till next time.